So guys, pressing on here. Today we're going to do an unboxing video on the iRobot Braava floor mopping ink robot. It's a Trade 803, we call the 300 series. So cost us with charging pad, the robot itself, then of course the mopping and the sweeper. And we just need to find the opener. It's right here. I just open it up, so I just had to put this thing outwards. Lift it off. So of course over here is the instruction menu, this tree, because I know I owned one before. This is my second unit, and this is the extra, like for example you refill the filter, and when anything's damaged you got one replacement. So of course this is the Bluetooth system, so either you add the battery then the Bluetooth will work, and charging cable is mostly here. The robot will be inside here as well. So if we just put here, take it off. So this is the robot, its own self. There is the robot's own self, and yeah, this Trade old model. So I need to lift it out and put it right here. This is Trade old model, and this must be the pad when you add water and you attach with the mopping. Put it back, and this one is the charger if you need it charge, and the power brick, and the battery is Bluetooth. This is the mopping, so you have to sweep and the mop. Yeah, and the instruction book's right there. So here's the robot. You take out the battery, must charge it 16 hours. So yeah, that's all today. So make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. That's it.